morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay students, now open page number 117 in your maths textbook. Students, today we will see face value and place value. We already know how to find the face value and place value of a digit in a given number. Students, we already learned how to find the face value and place value of the digit in a given number. Now, let's revise it with the help of an example. Students, here some examples are given. Okay, so pay attention here. 849. Students, 849 is a 3-digit number. Now pay attention here. Students, 9 is on ones place. So first we will see the 9 number. So the face value of 9 is 9. Students, 9 की face value क्या है? 9. Face value वही की वही रहती है. ओके, वही नंबर रहता है. So 9 की face value क्या है? 9. The face value of 9 is 9 and the place value of 9 is 9 ones or 9. स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे 9 वंस प्लेस पे है तो उसकी प्लेस वैल्यू क्या रहेगी? 9. उसकी फेस वैल्यू भी 9 होगी और उसकी प्लेस वैल्यू भी 9 होगी. नाउ नंबर 4. हियर 4 इज ऑन टेंस प्लेस. सो पे अटेंशन हियर. द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ 4 इज 4. 4 की फेस वैल्यू क्या है? 4 एंड द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 4 इज 4 टेंस और 40. और उसकी 4 की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या है स्टूडेंट्स? 40, because 4 is on tens place, so the place value of 4 is 40. The face value of 4 is 4 and the place value of 4 is 4 tens, or you can write 40. And last 8 is on here. 8 is on 100 place, so the face value of 8 is 8. 8 की face value क्या होगी? 8 and the place value of 8 is 800s or 800. Students, here 8 is on 100 place, so उसकी place value क्या होगी? 800 और the face value of 8 is 8. Students, face value वही का वही number रहता है. So remember this. Okay. Now we will do the exercise. Exercise 11. Fill in the blank boxes. Students, you have to write with me in your textbook. A. Now tell me which number is given here? 263. So here you have to write the place value and face value of the given digit. Here you have to write the place value and face value of 6 number. Okay, because arrow is here given. So what is the place value of 6? Yes, 60. Why? Because 6 here 6 is on tens place. So what is the place value of 6? 60. Write down. The place value of 6 is 60 because here 6 is on tens place and the face value of 6 is 6. क्योंकि face value वही का वही number रहता है. So place value of 6 is 60 and face value of 6 is 6. B. Which number is given here? 928. And you have to find the place value and face value of number 9. So what is the place value of number 9? Tell me. Yes, 900. Why? Because here 9 is on 100 place. So what is the place value of 9? 900. Then face value. What is the face value of 9? Yes, number itself. So write down here 9. The place value of 9 is 900 and the face value of 9 is 9. Next, C. 701. Here you have to write the place value and face value of 0. Here 0 is on tens place. Okay. So what is the place value of 0? You can write 00 and the place value of 0 is 0. Next, D. 547. Here you have to find the place value and face value of number 7. Students, here 7 is on ones place. So what is the place value of 7? 7. because it is on ones place. So what is the place value of 7? 7. And the face value of 7 is also 7. Now pay attention here. Short form and expanded form. Look at the given examples. Short form. Students, this is the short form of this number 498. Okay, 498 number is given. And how to expand this number? उस नंबर को expand कैसे करना है? Okay, expanded form. How to expand this number? 4 hundreds plus 9 tens plus 8 ones. So how we will write? 400 plus 9 tens means 90 and plus 8 ones means 8. 400 plus 90 plus 8. Which numbers comes? 498. Now turn your page. 1 minute students. Pay attention here. Tick the correct expanded form of the successor of 459. Students, now tell me, what is the successor number of 459? Yes. Which number comes after 459? Yes, 460. So, which is the correct expanded form of the given number? Yes, 460 का expanded form क्या आएगा? 400 plus 60 plus 0. So this is the correct answer. So tick mark here. Now turn your page. Number 2. Which number is given here? 607. So 600 plus 0 tens plus 7 ones. So 600 plus 0 plus 7. Now exercise 12. Write in expanded form. Students, here you have to expand this number. Okay, you have to write in expanded form. Now tell me, which number is given here? 792. So how we will write? 700 plus 90 plus 2. Next, 864. So how we will write? 800 plus 60 plus 4. Next, 247. So 200 plus 40 plus 7. Last, 395. So how we will write? 300 plus 90 plus 5. So these all are in expanded form. Now exercise 13. Write the short form. Students, here expanded number is given. In expanded form numbers are given. So you have to write the short form. Okay. A. 400 plus 10 plus 9. So कौन सा नंबर बनेगा यहाँ पे? 419. B. 200 plus 20 plus 2. तो स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे कौन सा नंबर बनेगा? 222. C. 900 plus 80 plus 9. So write down here 989. What is the short form of these numbers? 989. Last, 600 plus 50 plus 4. So what is the short form of these numbers? Yes, 654. Next, exercise 14. Fill in the blank boxes. A. 300 plus 4 tens plus 1 1. So how we will write here? 300 plus 40 plus 1. So what is the short form of this number? 341. So write down here 341. Next, 600 plus 2 tens plus 5 1. So how we will write? How we will expand these numbers? 600 plus 20 plus 5. So what is the short form of these numbers? 625. Next, students, here number is already given here 438. So you have to expand this number. Okay. So how we will write? 400 plus 3 tens plus 8 ones. So 400 plus 30, 3 tens means 30 and plus 8. So 438. Now in last D, here expanded form is given 200 plus 90 plus 7. So how we will write here? 200s plus 90 means 9 tens and 7 ones. So 200 plus 90 plus 7. What is the short form of this number? 297. Students, now pay attention here. Comparing numbers. How to compare the numbers? Let's revise the rules we follow to compare 3-digit numbers. Students, here some rules how to compare the 3-digit numbers. First, compare the digits in the hundreds place. Students, pay attention here. Here two numbers are given, 876 and 765. So how to compare these numbers? Since 8 is greater than 7, here 8 is greater than 7 means यहाँ पे 8 कैसा है? 7 से बड़ा है. So 876 is greater than 765. So this is the symbol of greater than. So 876 is greater than 765. यानी 876 कैसा है? 765 से बड़ा है. Now if the digits in the hundreds place are the same, compare the digits in the tens place. Students, if the digits in 100 place are the same, pay attention here. Here two numbers are given, 876 and 895. In these two numbers, 100 place are the same, 8 and 8. Okay. So compare the digits in the tens place. So we have to compare the tens place. Here 7 is given and here 9 is given. Since 7 is smaller than the 9. 7 is smaller than the 9. 7 कैसा है? 9 से छोटा है. So 876 is less than 895. 7 is less than 9. यानी 7 कैसा है? 9 से छोटा है. So 876 is less than 895. Now pay attention on next page. If the digits in the hundreds and tens place are the same, compare the digits in the ones place. Here two numbers are given, 876 and 875. Students, you can see here 100 place and tens place both are same numbers. 8 and 8, 7 and 7. Here digits in the hundreds and tens place are the same, 8 and 7. So we will compare the digits in the ones place. Here 6 is given and here 5 is given. So since 6 is greater than 5, यानी 6 कैसा है? 5 से बड़ा है. 6 greater than 5. So 876 is greater than 875. यानी 876 कैसा है? 875 से बड़ा है. Now we will do the exercise 15. Write the smallest number. Students, here some numbers are given and you have to write the smallest number. 242, 369, 179 and 745. Now tell me, which is the smallest number here? Yes, 179. So write down here 179 because in all these number 179 is the smallest number. Next B, 564, 82, 179 and 803. Students, you can see here these three numbers are in 3 digit, only one number is in 2 digit number. Okay, and which one? 82. So 82 is the smallest number. So write down here 82. Next, 902, 920, 912, 921. So tell me, which is the smallest number here? Yes, you can see here in these all numbers 100 place is the same number, okay, 9 number. So we will see the tens place. Here 0 is given, here 2 is given, here 1 is given, again here 2 is given. So in these two numbers 920 and 922, here 9 and 2 both are same numbers. So we will see the ones place. Here 0 is given and here 1 is given. So which is the sorry students, here you have to find the smallest number. So tell me which is the smallest number here? 902, because in these numbers 100 place is the same 9, okay. So we will see the tens place. Here 0 is given, here 2 is given, here 1 is given, again here 2 is given. So which is the smallest number? 0. So write down here 902. Last D. 356, 415, 201 and 636. So which is the smallest number here? Yes, 201. So write down here 201, because 3, 4, 6 वो सब कैसे है? बड़े है 2 से. So which is the smallest number? 201. Exercise 16. Circle the greatest number. Students, here you have to circle the greatest number. So 635, 543, 298 and 736. Now tell me which is the greatest number here? Yes, 736 is the greatest number. So circle on this number, because 7 is greater than 6, 5 and 2. Okay, so 736 is greatest number. B. 758, 752, 756, 728. Now tell me which is the greatest number here? Yes, 758. Why? Because in these all numbers, okay, so 758 is the greatest number. So circle on this number, because 58 is greater than 752, 756 and 721. C. 420, 451, 475 and 374. So tell me which is the greatest number here? Yes, 475, because 475 is greater than 420, 451 and 374. So circle on this number. D. 206, 234, 219 and 201. So which is the greatest number here? Yes, 234. So circle on this number 234, because these all numbers are smaller than 234. Exercise 16. Put the correct sign greater, smaller or equal. Yeah, greater, less or equal. So here two numbers are given, 457 and 377. So tell me which symbol will come? Yes, greater than. So 457 is greater than 377. So this symbol will write here. B. 832 and 328. Now tell me which is the greatest number here? 832. So 832 is greater than 328. यानी 832 कैसा है? 328 से बड़ा है. C. 622 and 632. In these two numbers, which is the greatest number? 632. So this symbol will you have to write, okay? Less than. 622 is less than 632. यानी 622 कैसा है? 632 से छोटा है. So D. 899 and 989. So which symbol will come here? Yes, less than. 899 इज लेस देन 989, यानी 899 कैसा है, 989 से छोटा है. 241 and 226. So which symbol will come? Yes, greater than. 241 is greater than 226. Last 708 and 708. Students, these both are equal number. So you have to put equal. Okay. 708 is equal to 708. Okay students, here we finish our today's exercise. Now your homework is write this exercise 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17 in your maths notebook of page number 117, 118 and 119. Okay students, thank you. Have a nice day.